Each year in the United States, an average of 36,000 people die and more than 200,000 are hospitalized from influenza-related complications.
Today's event is historic for us because it's our first gathering of ethnic media in Miami, using a very important healthcare concern, which is access to information and awareness within communities about the importance of flu vaccines. One way to begin to give ethnic media a sense of the power of this sector, because they've been isolated in their own communities, is to bring them together to hear newsmakers on important issues.
I think we'd like to make sure people are aware, in this case the media who attend the event, are aware of the importance, the seriousness of influenza disease, the utility and safety and effectiveness of the vaccines that are available to prevent that disease, and that these vaccines are available for a lengthy period of time, not the limited period of time that people often think it's an October-November thing, but we think it's important people know you can be vaccinated into January and later.
Ethnic communities are known to not have as high immunization coverage as other communities, so it is very important that we reach ethnic communities with a positive health message. We recognize that a Spanish language campaign or an ethnic campaign needs to be more than simply a translation of an English campaign, so we're working very closely with American media.
It's probably the best way to address the issue for ethnic group, especially for ethnic group. It's better. We feel more comfortable. We feel more, able to ask questions, not intimidated, and it's very good. And we can spread the word out and to our community. It's a must to get vaccine, this time, and I never heard about it in my community.
I mean, there is really an enormous gap between the government, the major public institutions, and the new majority communities that by 2050 will represent the majority of America. We think those gaps are language, culture, and above all communication, and ethnic media is a major vehicle for this, and we've got to build bridges between the major institutions and these media.